This is the reaction, and they are exchanging their radicals, right? And they exchange their positive ion and with the neighbor negative ion, and this positive ion and reacted with neighbor negative ion, so making and two compounds. The example for double displacement reaction, ferrous sulfate and sodium hydroxide. For the ferrous valency 2, 2 plus, sulfate SO4. In here ferrous 2 plus, SO4 2 minus. Then we can cancel 2 minus to 2 plus. What is the formula? FeSO4 AQ plus sodium hydroxide, sodium valency 1, hydroxyl valency 1. Formula NaOH AQ. Right, then we need to identify cation and anion. Fe2 plus, SO4 2 minus, Na plus, OH minus. Then this ferrous ion combine with the hydroxyl. It combined with the hydroxyl, making ferrous hydroxide. For the valency of iron 2, hydroxyl valency 1. So what is the formula? FeOH twice, AQ plus Na plus SO4 2 minus. For the valency of the sodium 1, valency of the sulfate 2. So need to exchange valency. Sodium valency 1, sulfate valency 2. Formula Na2SO4. Na2SO4 AQ. We need to balance the 2 sodium, 1 sodium multiplied by 2. 2 iron, 2 iron. 1 sulfate. අපිට කෙලින්ම sulfate ගන්න පුළුවන්. 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate balance. Next one 2 hydroxyl. In here 2 hydroxyl. It's a balanced chemical reaction. This Fe2 plus cation combined with the hydroxyl and sodium cation combined with the sulfate. So making ferrous sulfate and sodium sulfate. Write the reaction. Write the reaction. Right, then second one, calcium chloride and sodium carbonate. Calcium chloride, right? For the valency of the calcium, I did, and this lesson in third unit, valency of calcium 2, chlorine, and valency 1. So formula CaCl2, right? CaCl2AQ. Calcium chloride reacted with sodium carbonate. The sodium carbonate valency of carbonate 2. What is the formula? Na2SO4 AQ. What are the products? Calcium, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Ca2 plus, Cl minus, Na plus, CO3 2 minus. Then calcium ion reacted with carbonate, making white color precipitate, calcium carbonate. This is white color precipitate. Meaning of this downward arrow, it deposits as white color powder. Plus, sodium react with chlorine, valency 1. Therefore, product is NaClAQ. And this is the reaction. So, the 1 sodium, 2 sodium multiplied by 2. 1 calcium to 1 calcium, 2 chlorine to 2 chlorine. 2 sodium, 2 sodium, 1 carbonate, 1 carbonate balance. Write the next one. This is the second reaction. In here calcium combined with carbonate, calcium carbonate. sodium combined with chloride, calcium carbonate, sodium chloride. Then try to write the third one. Decide the formula. Barium chloride, valency of barium is 2, right? Chloride valency here, sodium valency here, sulfate I wrote earlier, SO4 2 minus, valency 2. They decide the products. හදන්න බලන්න. හරි දැන් පුතේ මැසේජ් එකක් ආවා තියෙනවා මේ ඔක්කොම මතක තියාගන්න ඕනද කියලා. ඔයගලන්ට ෆෝමියුලාස් ලියන එක මතක තියාගන්න ඕනනේ. හරිද? ඒතර ෆෝමියුලා එක ලිව්වනම් මේ දෙක මාරු කරන එක ඇති වැඩක් නෙමෙයිනේ. හරි? ඒතර ෆෝමියුලා එක ලියගෙන එක කම්පල්සරි එකක් ඔයගලන්ට. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ෆෝමියුලා ලියන්න තියෙනවනේ තුන්වෙනි පාඩමේ රැඩිකල්ස් එක්ස්චේන්ජ් කරලා. ඒතර අපි ෆෝමියුලා එකක් ඕන ෆෝමියුලා එකක් ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි? ඒකන රැඩිකල්ස් එකක් දීලා ඇති 3rd යුනිට් එකේ ටියුට් එකේ. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ අපිට ෆෝමියුලා ටික ලිව්වනම් මේ දෙකක් මාරු කරන එක වැඩක් නෙමෙයි. හරි? එහෙනම් මේක කටපාඩම් මේක පාඩම් කරන එකට වඩා හොඳ ෆෝමියුලාස් ඩිසයිඩ් කරන්න. හරි? ෆෝමියුලාස් ලියන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න. ඒකට හරි. ඒකට මේවා ඇති දෙයක් නෑ. Type the barium chloride BaCl2aq plus sodium sulfate Na2SO4, valency of barium 2, valency of sulfate 2. මේ තමයි sulfate ගේ valency එක. මේ තමයි barium ගේ valency එක. තේරුණා? This is the valency of barium, this is the valency of sulfate. Then we need to exchange the cation. Put a Ba2 plus Cl minus Na plus SO4 2 minus. Right. Next one we need to exchange the opposite ion Ba2 plus SO4 2 minus. Equal valency, samana valency. So we can cancel. What is the formula? BaSO4, barium sulfate. This one also white color precipitate. Mea sudu පාටයි. Calcium carbonate also white. Next one, sodium and chlorine, valency 1, valency 1. What is the formula? NaCl, Aq. Right, then we need to balance. 1 barium to 1 barium, 1 sulfate to 1 sulfate. අපිට කෙලින්ම radical එක balance කරත හැකි. 1 sulfate to 1 sulfate. 2 chlorine, 2 sodium. Need to multiply by 2. 2 sodium, 2 chlorine. Right. Next one. Fourth one, copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide. Copper sulfate, the other one is sodium hydroxide. Copper sulfate, the other one is sodium hydroxide. Copper sulfate valency of copper 2 CuSO4 Aq 2 plus SO4 2 minus plus the other one sodium hydroxide NaOH valency of sodium 1 hydroxyl 1, so positive and negative. And now decide the products. It's very easy, right? හොඳට ස්ටඩි කරන තුන්වෙනි පාඩම කෙමිස්ට්‍රි වල පාඩමෙන් පාඩම ලින්ක් වෙනවා. මේ පාඩම ඕන හැම පාඩමකට හරි ඒ වගේ එකින් එක ලින්ක් වෙනවා පුතේ. නිසා ඔයගොල්ලෝ බේසික් කෙමිස්ට්‍රි කරන්න මුලින් ඉඳන් හොඳට කරන්න කෙමිස්ට්‍රි. ඒක ලේසි. Right, I think you could decide the product now. Copper valency 2, hydroxyl valency 1. What is the formula? CuOH, valency of copper 2, out of the bracket 2. So this is blue color precipitate, right? Blue color precipitate. Remember the experiment? To identify for the protein, we normally conduct biuret test. in this is the biurate test. What biurate test? We need to add copper sulfate with sodium hydroxide. If medium doesn't consist with like nitrogen natrium, and we can obtain the blue color precipitate. This is blue color precipitate, solid, deposit, like this. Then sodium reactive sulfate, valency 1, sulfate valency 2. What is the formula? Na2SO4AQ. This is the aqueous solution. This is the aqueous solution. Then try to write the last one. Here of the last calcium sulfate and sodium carbonate. Calcium sulfate, the other one sodium carbonate.
Sir,
What was it?
Phosphonic
lead nitrate. Phosphonic lead nitrate. Can you decide the formula? Valency of lead 2, right? Valency of lead 2 plus nitrate NO3 minus. Then decide the formula for lead nitrate. What is it? පොතේ ඊට පස්සේ කනෙක්ට් එක විනාඩි 10කට කලින් මම ඔන් කරනවා. හොඳ විනාඩි 10කට කලින් රික්වෙස්ට් කරලා ඉන්න පුතේ. එතකොට මම ඩග්ගාට ඔන් කර ඇඩ්මිට් කරන්නම්.
සර් කොයි ටිකද?
පුතේ මේ page number 4. Page number 4. Double displacement reaction. recording එකක් යනවා මම recording එක දාන්නම් මේ ටික. දැන් ඇඩ් වෙච්ච අයට. නැත්නම් ආයෙ කියලා දෙන්නම්. Double displacement reaction. We have to exchange the cation and anion, right? Cation and anion. And Fe2 plus, and this is the sulfate, Na plus OH minus. We have to exchange the ion, Na plus SO4 2 minus sodium sulfate and ferrous hydroxide, right? And we have to exchange the cations. Cation exchange karanna yoni. Look at the next one. Put the lead nitrate, fifth one. Lead nitrate and sodium chloride. Lead nitrate and sodium chloride. And this is the fifth reaction. Lead nitrate. Put a lead valency 2, nitrate valency 1. So what is the formula? PbNO3 out of the bracket 2. Lead nitrate PbNO3 out of the bracket 2. And then reactants are lead nitrate, the lead nitrate PbNO3 out of the bracket 2 AQ plus sodium chloride NaCl. Then we have to mark the charge. This is the cation 2 plus. This is the valency of the lead. Nitrate valency 1. 1 mean minus. Na plus Cl minus. Next one, we need to exchange their opposite ion. Lead reacted with chloride. What is the product? Lead chloride, PbCl2. And this is the solid. Deposit as a precipitate. So what is the color of it? White. So white color precipitate. Next one, sodium combined with the nitrate. So look at the valencies. Sodium valency 1, nitrate valency 1. Formula NaNO3. NaNO3 AQ. Right. For the lead, 1 lead to 1 lead. 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine. In here multiplied by 2. 2 sodium, 1 sodium multiplied by 2. 2 sodium to 2 sodium. For the harmony nitrate, අපිට කෙලින්ම radical එක ගත හැකි 2 nitrate in here 2 nitrate balance. It's a balanced chemical reaction. This is the balanced chemical reaction. The next one, last one, calcium sulfate and sodium carbonate. Calcium sulfate and sodium carbonate. They decide the products. I wrote the fifth one, then sixth one. Calcium sulfate, valency of calcium 2, sulfate valency 2. Calcium 2 plus, SO4 2 minus. Next one, sodium carbonate. The sodium carbonate, Na, valency of sodium 1. Carbonate, CO3 2 minus. So we have to exchange the valencies Na2 CO3. Na2 CO3 AQ. Valency of the carbonate 2 minus 1. Then exchange the radicals. Right. I think you could decide the products. Today we have to exchange the cation with anion. Calcium cation combined with carbonate. They have equal valencies. So what is the formula? CaCO3, solid, precipitate, plus the valency of sodium 1, sulfate valency 2. What is the formula? Na2SO4, right? Valency of sodium in here 2. This is the valency of sodium. Sulfate SO4 2 minus AQ. And we have to balance it again. 2 sodium to 2 sodium balance. Next one, 1 carbonate. Remember 1 carbonate to 1 carbonate balance. 1 calcium to 1 calcium balance. This is the balanced chemical reaction. There's sometime even two chemical try to react, right? And we cannot get the product. What is the reason? The reason is, and such two compounds having identical cation. දෙන්නටම තියෙන එක සමාන cation එක නම් react කරන්නේ නැහැ. The example, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride. තේරුණාද? Sometime even we try to react two compounds, they are not reacting. The reason, they have identical cation, right? They have identical cation. One of the example, assume this reaction, calcium sulfate try to react with calcium chloride. Such a reaction is not taking place because in here calcium sulfate, calcium chloride, both having equal radicals, that's mean cation. So reaction is not taking place. As well as anion equal, right? As in this is the calcium, sodium carbonate, and this is assume potassium carbonate. Potassium carbonate is not reacting with sodium carbonate. The reason, having identical radical, anion, right? Potassium carbonate doesn't react with sodium carbonate. The reason, they have identical anion, so reaction is not taking place. Right, look at the next one. Note, when same ion is exist in both reactants, such chemical reactions are not taking place. So I think better to underline same ion exists in both reactants. Underline something. Same ion exists in both reactants. Such chemical reactions are not taking place. So the first one, sodium chloride and barium chloride, right? Look at the reaction. Sodium chloride, NaClAq. So we can identify their valency, positive and negative, plus sodium barium chloride, the BaCl2, valency of barium 2, chlorine 1, 2 plus, 2 minus. Then doesn't form product. What is the reason? And they have identical anion. So they have identical anion, right? Therefore, reaction is not taking place. So doesn't form products. Products are then right? What's the reason? They have identical anion. Anion dekha samana. Next one, calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate 2 plus 2 minus AQ plus sodium carbonate. Sorry, sodium sulfate Na2SO4AQ. Does occur the reaction? No. What's the reason? They have identical anion. Identical anions available in both molecules, so reaction doesn't take place. Right. Put it right another one. We have to use identical cation. Okay, identical cation bag gamu. First one, magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride AQ. Mg valency 2, Cl valency 1. React with magnesium hydroxide AQ. Does occur the reaction? No. Reaction doesn't take place. The reason, and these two reactants, they have identical cation. They have identical cation, so reaction doesn't take place. Same reactions when they write the example. Below the second one, write the third one. Calcium, magnesium chloride and magnesium hydroxide. Such reactions are not taking place. The reason, first two reaction, they have identical anion. Third reaction, and they have identical cation. Cation means positively charged ion. Anion means negatively charged ion.